Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A06 and you are wondering how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A06 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here connections. After click over connections, you will find there's something say mobile hotspot and tweeting. After click over mobile hotspot and tweeting, you need to click here mobile hotspot. From here you will see your hotspot name and the password and brand. If you like to change your Wi-Fi hotspot name, you can easily choose any name you want, and also if you like to change the Wi-Fi password, you can easily choose the password and then you can make it here save. Now if you decide to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, you can just simply turn this on. So when you click turn on, a pop-up going to appear. You need to click here turn off and immediately your phone is going to be turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now my friends and family, they can get internet from my phone. Also you can see there is a status bar there is a icon which is a Wi-Fi hotspot icon. So within this simple way you can easily turn on Wi-Fi hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A06. Now you might be decide to turn off Wi-Fi hotspot. You can go again here in this settings section, click here connections and click here mobile hotspot and tweeting. You can simply turn this off. Also there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off Wi-Fi hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A06. You can easily swipe down just like this and then a screen going to appear. If you decide to turn on mobile hotspot, you can simply click over there and it's going to be turn on mobile hotspot. If you decide to turn off mobile hotspot, you can go again swipe down just like this and you can simply turn this off. So within this simple way you can easily turn on or off mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.